In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an EIN mismatch e-file reject on TurboTax. If you've recently encountered an issue while trying to e-file your taxes and received a rejection due to an EIN mismatch, don't worry. This is a common issue and can be resolved with just a few steps. First, let's head over to TurboTax Online. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done so already, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Income section. This is where we'll be making the necessary corrections to address the EIN mismatch. After clicking on Income, you'll see a list of different income sources. Here, you need to locate and click on Wages and Income Summary. This section provides a detailed view of all the income data you've entered, including your W-2 information, which is crucial in resolving any EIN issues. Next, you'll want to focus on the Wages and Salaries part of the summary. Under this section, look for Wages and Salaries W-2. This is where your employer's details and EIN should be listed. If you spot any discrepancies or errors in the EIN, this is where we need to make corrections. To edit your EIN, click on Revisit next to the W-2 information. This will take you to a screen where you can review and edit the details previously entered. Ensure you have your W-2 form handy, as you'll need to cross-check the EIN number listed on the form against what's entered in TurboTax. Make the corrections if necessary, ensuring that the EIN on your W-2 matches exactly with what you enter in TurboTax. In case you haven't entered your EIN before, or if you're starting fresh, look for the option that says Work on my W-2. Click on this, and you'll be guided through the process of entering your W-2 details, including the EIN. Carefully input the information as it appears on your physical W-2 form to avoid any further mismatches. Once you've made the corrections, it's important to save your changes. Double-check all entries for accuracy before proceeding. Now, you can attempt to resubmit your e-file. If everything is accurate, your return should be accepted without any issues. Remember, ensuring the accuracy of your EIN is crucial, as it directly affects the acceptance of your e-file. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to TurboTax support for additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you resolve your EIN mismatch issue efficiently. Happy tax filing!